Hello everyone, welcome to I'm Nathan1301. Today we're going to be unboxing this Qubo Dashcam, Smart Dashcam Pro X. I got this on Amazon for around 2,500 rupees. That's this much in dollars. Now for my American fans out there, let me know if you'll get Qubo products in America in the comments below. Well, they're really popular here in India, especially for good budget items. We have another Qubo dash cam and a Qubo security camera in our house. So far, no problems with those. Now, let's go ahead with the unboxing and not look too much into the details. Here's a snippet of the app that you get with it. The app, I would say, is pretty smooth. Some details about it. High clarity, 360 rotatable, night vision, time lapse, wide lane coverage, recording on demand, interesting. Supports 1 TB SD cards up to, super capacitor and detachable design. I have seen a video of this one, and yes, I know about the detachable design. Seems pretty interesting to me. Let's go ahead and take off these sticky tags right here so we can unbox the product. Smooth come out right there. Something you got on Apple devices. Don't scan this. Something about the app and stuff. Okay, so this is the dash cam. Comes in this plastic packaging. A lot of the cheap stuff comes in this. But here, it seems to be really good quality. It is made of plastic, but the quality of the plastic is really good. This is a sticky tab right there. You have to stick this on your windshield or so, and then you can turn it around in 360 degrees to adjust it to whatever angle you want to adjust it to. Now this stand thing right here, the mount is actually detachable. There's a button right there. You gotta click that, and you can detach the whole camera from the mount so that you don't have to take the sticky pad off all the time, which is a great design. As you can see, that's how it locks in. Don't know if you can see that, but I guess not. Okay, now you can lock that back in. There we go. Yep, let's give these a peel. There we go. I'm not gonna peel this one, of course, because that's before you stick it in the car. Here's your camera. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna keep this aside, see what else you get in the box. You get a car lighter power thing that you put in your car's lighter socket and you get power out of it. It's a USB-A, nothing special given, like 3.2 amps and etc. So I'm guessing it's a regular USB, so it should work with any other USB too. It doesn't have to be this Qubo one. It can be any other company, I'm guessing. If you all know better, you can just put it in the comments, but I'm guessing it doesn't. Did we get anything else in the box? Let's find out. So you have the foam thing right there. Parting, there we go. So you get an extra long cable. It seems to be pretty long. Of course, it's a micro USB right there. Type A to micro USB. I don't know why people still use micro USBs. That's kind of out of date, but I don't know what this is. But if I was to guess, it could be something like, you stick it and then this could be used to take it off. If you ever had to take it off, I'm not sure. If you know what this is, please put it in the comments, but I think it's that. You also get something else. Let's see. Okay. I'm guessing this is another sticky pad that gets stuck right here in case you ever take it off. And this is this side on windscreen. Ooh. I think this could be some dust removing thing, or it could be just a sticker that you stick on your windscreen before you stick this thing on it, but I think it's the dust removing thing. I'm not really sure. It's a clean peeling off. Clean the windscreen before peeling off. Interesting. Okay. Well, it's sad that they do not include any manuals as to what these things are. Even something about contents. Let's check what's on the back here. The contents, you got the Dashcam Pro right there. You have one car charger, one power cable, one warranty card. Uh, they must be joking because I don't see a warranty card. Is this it? I'm guessing this is the warranty card. Don't know though. And they don't say anything about what this is or this is, as you can see in the contents. So I don't know. Also something to note, the price here on the box is 5,990. Got it for 2,590. This is a pretty good discount. And yeah, that's about it in the box. Now we are going to use it with a Amazon Basics micro SD card and capture some video tests and test and see how good the video is, the quality of the video. And that will be posted in this video later on. The link to my threads is in the description. Don't forget to go there and follow me for updates on my YouTube channel, my posts, and regular daily or weekly updates too. So go follow my threads. It's the links in the description. Hello guys, this is the quality of the camera of Qubo. I hope y'all can hear my voice too. This is the camera quality of the dashcam. So let me know what you think of the quality of the camera in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.